Welcome to Words Well Read. Today, we are going to learn how to say some fun words that you might not have heard before. First up, we have this word which is pronounced as saponify. Saponify. Saponify is a process of turning fats or oils into soap. It's like a magic spell that turns your ingredients into a bubbly cleaning potion. Next time you're making homemade soap, you can say, I'm casting the Saponify spell on this mixture. Here is a sentence example. The saponification process is also used in the production of biodiesel, where it helps to convert vegetable oil into a usable fuel. Next, we have this word which is pronounced as consensus. Consensus. Consensus is when a group of people agree on something. For example, if you're trying to decide where to go out for dinner and everyone agrees for pizza, you have reached a consensus. Here is a sentence example. The two parties have reached a consensus. Finally, we have this word which is pronounced as Juku. Juku. This one might sound a little strange, but it's a really important word in Japan. Juku are after-school classes where students can go to get extra help with their studies. It's like a tutor, but better, because you get to learn with a whole bunch of other students. Here is a sentence example. There are even Juku to help kids pass entrance exams. That's it for this video, folks. We hope you enjoyed and had fun learning the correct pronunciation and meaning of these tricky words. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you in the next episode of Words Well Read. Thanks for watching.